And of course, if they stay in New York, then their income is going to be $85,000 per year. If you're in New York and you're thinking, I'd like to have highest income, then maybe consider moving, but you're locking your money up forever. You cannot get it back. Hey there, welcome to the show. My name is John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Today we're going to be talking about a gentleman that I am working with in New York, and he is looking at a couple of different options with $1 million. So since it's New York, he is subject to just buying SPIAs and DIAs, single premium immediate annuities, and deferred income annuities, which aren't bad. They just don't pay as much as the income riders do in the outlying states. So we're looking at those, we're comparing them. And really the difference is he can either have $85,000 per year from a SPIA or $98,000 a year from an income rider, okay? And so he lives in New York, he's gonna retire in 5 years, and he's 60, his wife is 59. This is joint income, by the way. And of course, if they stay in New York, then their income is gonna be $85,000 per year because they have to buy a SPIA. But if they move, or if they move their primary residence outside of the state, like he's thinking about going to Pennsylvania, then he could buy an income rider. And this particular one is with North American. And it's going to grow at 8% compounded roll-up rate. It'll grow to 1.469 million times 6.7%. And that will give them joint income of $98,445 per year at ages 65 and 64. And in 30 years, the total payout would be over $3 million. So obviously, if they live longer, it will pay out more. But it's just important, I guess if you're in New York and you're thinking, I'd like to have highest income, then maybe consider moving or getting a primary residence somewhere else. I have lots of people that move to Florida and Pennsylvania, and then they buy annuities from me because they pay out a lot more than what they can get if they were to stay in New York and buy a SPIA. So nothing wrong with New York Life. I sell New York Life a lot too. And they're a good company, solid carrier. It's just the SPIA is different. You're buying lifetime income just like an income rider, but you're locking your money up forever. You cannot get it back. There is no cash value ever. So if you ever want to cancel it, take your money back, you cannot do that, okay? An income rider, you can. If you do want to cancel, let's say 5 years into it, you decide you want to get out of it. Well, you can. You can take it out and you'll be subject to surrender charges, but at least you can access your cash if you want to. That is really important. A lot of people don't understand that's what they can do, and they can still have higher lifetime income. So anyways, I wanted to point that out because I do have a lot of people from New York who reach out to me and they're trying to compare a SPIA, and then they look in the income riders and they get frustrated because they realize they can't get the highest income that they could get elsewhere. And that's when they, start questioning their state. So it's a good state that just have different rules there. But if you're looking for highest income and you're in most states, any state outside of New York, you're gonna be able to get an income rider. You can get highest income from that, and go check for yourself. Go to my website, johnstevenson.com, check the calculators, plug in the numbers for yourself, whether it's single or joint, and you'll be able to see what the payouts are right there. So, and then if you feel comfortable, reach out to me. There's a link right there on my website, and you can book a call with me there, or you can book a call with me right below this video. And it is a Zoom call, by the way. So we'll get on a Zoom meeting, and we will look at all the options that are available. I'll show you my screen. You'll be able to see me. And we'll be able to just kind of discuss, what options are available, why certain ones are better than other ones, and I'll answer your questions. And of course, if you're looking to purchase an annuity, I'd love to help you. If you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment below, and let me show you around. So I'm just hiking around Lake Tahoe. You can see the rocks there on the edge there. Just kind of walking around the east side of the lake. Beyond those rocks, another 20 miles is Crystal Bay and Incline Village and Sand Harbor, which we like to go. It's a beautiful area. And then you go into California on this side, go towards Truckee, Tahoe City, and then just that direction over those mountains, you're going down into Sacramento. See the view? It's pretty, huh? Yeah, if I like it. Nice place to hike in the springtime, summertime, all year round. I mean, just a month ago, all this was covered in snow. We had like 10 feet of snow over here. That's pretty too. Hope you enjoy the view. I always like sharing it. And I like telling them real world stories about how people are purchasing these annuity contracts for their retirement and getting the most for themselves. I think that's really important. So I like being transparent. I like showing you everything that's available regardless of what I'm getting paid. Some commissions are high, some commissions are low, but in the end, it all evens out. It's best for you to see what's available for yourself. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate you. I hope you enjoy the channel. Hope you enjoy the video. We'll talk to you soon. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.